Hello everyone, my name is Chris. This is a toolbox I bought at Walmart, and I converted it into a mini solar panel power station. Excuse me. If you notice, this side is black. It's really black Gorilla Tape I put over the top of this. I'll explain why. This side is clear so you can see what's inside of it. I might cover this too as well, out of sight, out of mind, you know. I actually covered this because I had to cut the plastic at the bottom here of this tray, so the battery, it won't hit the battery that I put inside of here. And it's actually got two little compartments here if you want to put some small items in there. But I bought this at Walmart. It was really cheap too. Forgot how much it was. It was under 20 bucks. Okay, over on this side we got wires, phone wires, to where if you got an Android or Apple phone, it'll fit a variety of phones. Here's an auxiliary plug here for charging phones. I'm actually going to install that on the inside. Actually, I got two of them in here. This one has three compartments to, if you want to share with others. This one has two. Total of 5. This cord here actually goes on the solar panel that I have on the inside of this box. I'll show you in a minute. When I first bought the kit at Harbor Freight, I was wondering what was this one for, but this one is actually for your cigarette lighter in your car, the auxiliary, and you plug the solar panel into it, and you put it on your windshield with suction cups. So, you know how the sun hits the windshield. The power from that, it's 1.5 watt solar panel. It will keep your car battery from draining down if you have your radio running on the inside. Just so you guys know. Okay, here on the side I installed a license plate light in the automotive section. This thing actually swivels. It'll swivel right, left, or straight down. I actually don't know why I put this one in there. It is a LED. I'll probably change it up later, but it's actually working. I'll show you guys that in a second. But this one here is, you know, for showing the license tag at night. And here on the back, I don't know if you guys can see that, this is the end coming from the inverter that you can plug the solar panel into. And I Gorilla Glued it really good to where you can't push it in, can't move it left or right or pull it out. It's really solid to where if I shove the cord on there, it won't move. And I'm gonna put some silicone around there, just, you know, for water purposes. I don't want any water getting inside of the box. I tried to keep everything inside this box in case it's raining or something. Here you have the two clamps that holds this toolbox down. And let's see what we got inside. Alright, here's a solar charge regulator. And it has, like, here it says high voltage, charging, low voltage. This regulator is designed so you won't overcharge your battery. And it'll, like, shut off so you won't put in too much power into this battery. It'll do its own work. This here's the solar panel, and it's something that it fits right in this toolbox. I mean, perfect size. This one is a 1.5 watter. That's not much. This regulator can take up to 100-watt solar panel. It's a nice size solar panel. You can't go over 100 watts. Let's see. Okay, I velcroed this on there. I think this is simpler, quicker than, and like I said, I didn't want to put any screws. I didn't want to screw it down because it would have penetrated the plastic. This here is the Velcro I used. It's kind of wide. I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can use this on a variety of things, but that's the Velcro I use. I even Velcroed this power station here. It has 3 ports. It's got an on and off switch. It's you guys' choice how you want to do yours, but I thought I could plug in several things from this one station. And I keep this one here, and I can still close the box with it on there. Okay, I'll pull out this diagram, show you guys how this regulator works. Most of you probably already know about this, but for people who's watching who don't have a clue about anything, no offense, but yeah, here we got this wire you see already hooked up here. That's the battery. In the middle is the solar panel. That's what you saw in the rear of this toolbox that I had glued in. And here you see is a light for the load. And that's what this unit is for. This is the load. Yeah, and that's already ready to go. I got that velcroed up there. It's quicker. Okay. In this bag there's a charger, a battery charger for if the sun is not shining, and you actually hook this to the battery and keep the battery charged. And some extra cords are in here. Okay, here's a small inverter. You can get these at Harbor Freight as well. If you had a larger size solar panel, you can get a bigger inverter. I'm gonna plug this one in as well. Okay, what else is in here? You can get this light at Harbor Freight as well. It's kind of beat up. I've been using it. Reason I recommend keeping one of these in your box is because you can plug it up. As you can see right there, there's a battery in there, a rechargeable battery. And it's got enough space. I don't know what you want to put in yours, but I thought about putting a battery charging case in there that you can plug up to charge up AA's and AAA batteries. I might still do that. This is a little switch I put on the inside to control the light here. And this is the battery. This is the one I chose. One day I'll probably switch to a lithium, but this one here I got at Walmart. It's actually for power sport vehicles, and it's a EverStart. Here's the box here. It's an EverStart battery. With these, you fill them, and you can actually see through the battery casing how much of the electrolyte acid fluid is lower or higher, and you can maintain it yourself rather than it being a black battery casing and you can't see what's really going on the inside. Here's where you fill it with the electrolyte acid. Be careful and read the instructions on that very carefully if you're going to do that. Yeah, I got the wires already to the negative port, and I got it traveling through this clear tubing to this side. This is the positive side. Okay, let's see. I got the battery strapped in here to keep it from moving to the center, and I got the bottom velcroed so it's not sliding around, so that battery is not going anywhere. Let me see if I can turn this. Move this here. I don't know if you guys can see that battery, but that's what it looks like. And if you pull it out, you can see the fluid. I can actually see the fluid level just by looking in there in this small space. But here's how much space you have to work with. You can put whatever you want in there. Okay. Let me put this back in. And as you can see, that 1.5 watt solar panel fits perfectly in there. Flashlight. Let me turn this on so you guys can see it working. I got this at the automotive section. I don't know what store, but you guys can find them. But I just cut the auxiliary, the male auxiliary portion off of there that you plug into the cigarette lighter, and just hooked it straight to this solar regulator. And the light is separate with its own separate switch. This inverter has a cooling fan on the inside. Take this off. Keep it in your box. And also, you want to keep a battery charger. I got that battery charger from Harbor Freight as well. Keep you a battery charger in there to where you can plug it into an AC outlet on days there's no sun. And as you can see, the lid closes down easy. You can store all your accessories here, even over here. Clamp it into place. And like I said, I'm gonna cover this part with this black tape. This is Gorilla Tape, because I believe in out of sight, out of mind, and putting a lock on there. And to the natural eye, somebody will think that's just a regular toolbox. They'll want to take it regardless, wondering what's in it. But I'm gonna cover that to where it's out of sight. Nobody knows what's in there, because if you see something like this, you're gonna want to open it and be like, what's that? Or I need that. So by me having the tape over it, nobody knows. And like I said, only thing I got protruding out of it is the light and this female end here. Yep. And I put this together really quick. It's just some ideas in case you guys want to do this yourself. You can get all this stuff at Harbor Freight and Walmart. And that's about it. I didn't want to have a long video, but you guys might want to get you one of these in case the lights go out. Try to get you some lights where they're LEDs, because they'll take less power to illuminate a room or wherever you're at. Okay, Chris signing off. Hope you guys was informed. You can subscribe if you want to. It's your choice. And check out other videos that I made. Okay, you guys take care and be blessed. Stay safe.